going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here is the this is the 2022 Camry. Alright? 2022. Show you guys how to take off the trim panel, this handle, and that mirror. Alright? First thing first, get yourself a flat head. Open this handle. Y'all see that piece right there? Man. Go ahead, take the piece out of there. It goes right there. Why? There is a Phillips screwdriver there. It's a Phillips. Same thing, flat head. You're gonna put it right in the groove, just like that. Pry it up. Just like that. See? It comes right up. Take it out. Unplug it. Take it out. The reason why? There's another screw right there. It's a Phillips. Take that piece out as well. Put your flat head in the groove right there. Pop it out. Take it out. Now let's take the screw, screws out of there. That's one screw. That's two screws. See this piece? Grab it, take it out. Take that piece out as well. Why? Because the next screw right there that is hidden. All these screws are hidden, guys. Take that screw out. Now, once you get all the screws from out the door, use your flat head. Put it right in the groove, just like that, and pry the trim panel towards you, away from the door, just like that. Now, take it out and hold it. Pry it off of there, just like that. Now, use the flat head. Take that piece out. Take that piece out of there. Now you're gonna hold your trim panel. You're gonna go up with it. Just like that. See, guys? It comes right off. Unplug that wire. Set that bad boy on the side. It's coming right off. Now, let's take off that mirror. In order to get up to this mirror, you see that plug right there? Take that plug out. We're gonna move this piece out of the way as well. So we're gonna take that screw from there and get this piece out of there. Go ahead and unplug this wire, but this wire, that's for the mirror. That screw out. Take it loose. Now, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 screws in there, guys. 3 screws. You want to drop the glass, okay? We're gonna drop the glass, but before we drop the glass, we're gonna take out the first 2 screws first. That's 1. That's 2. Now we're going to plug this back in and drop the glass. Make sure to loose that wire, guys. All right, go into the screw out. You're gonna hold it and shake it out of there. That's for your take out the guys. Guys, remember, when you guys go to put back this mirror, make sure to put back this wire around the run channel. If you don't put it around the run channel, when you're going to put the glass down, the glass will hit it and it would not go down. Make sure you put this wire around the run channel and plug it back in. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to take the handle from out of there. All right, guys, in order to get this handle out, remember, the handle is two-piece. Got the handle itself, and you also got the lock still in there. In order to get those two pieces out of there, gotta get this piece off first. Y'all see the clips? Just twist them, guys. Just twist it. And you pop them out, just like that. Pop them out. They come right out. Then you take your clip puller, take this piece off. See? Comes right off. Now you're gonna put the glass back up. Just like that. Okay? Now I'm gonna show you guys something. Alright guys, in order to get the handle out, you gotta move this piece from there. Just take your flathead, and you're gonna put it in that groove. You're gonna pry it up, put in this groove and pry it down. Then there's a white clip inside of there. You're gonna squeeze the white clip in. Okay? You're gonna squeeze it in and then you're gonna take out the wire. So you're gonna put it in here, pry it up, pry it up, pry it down, comes out. Alright, comes out. But this clip right here, most of the time, you guys squeeze this clip in. Here guys, so you're gonna squeeze it in and you're gonna squeeze this clip in and you're gonna pry it out. And then it comes out. Alright? And then once you guys do that, all you gotta do is come around here. Wait. You guys see this white piece right here, right? You're gonna squeeze it in, just like that, and take it out. Remember guys, when you guys go to put back the handle, make sure to put to close this back. If you don't close this piece back, the handle will come out when you go to open the door. Make sure to close it back on. This is what holds the handle on to the door. To take it off, just squeeze it, open it up. Okay, just like that. And you come back over here, hold it, put it out, comes right out. See? Comes right out. Now to take out this piece right here, you're gonna take that plug from there, and there's a screw in there. It's a shining screw. There's a T30 torque tip. T30. You're gonna turn it on to the left all the way, and then you're gonna go ahead and take that piece out of there. Guys, stay tuned and watch the work. Hey guys, you see that black tab right there? Take that black tab out. Get your star tip, T30, with that shining screw inside there. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. Turn to the left, all the way. Just like that. With the flathead, put it right in the groove. comes right out, baby. That's how you do that. Comes right out. Do not lose these pieces, guys. These pieces are very important. Alright? With that said, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Guys, please, if you haven't already, guys, I have 2 channels. Go support my other channel. On that channel, I do strictly fenders and structural work, like quarter panel, rails, and stuff like that. That's my car bundle and structural channel. So please go next door and ring that bell, guys. Subscribe to that channel, please. All right. With that said, I will see you guys on the next video.